Hey there, this is my online chess project that I did a couple months ago. In this video, I'll just be showing you how to install and actually play on my online chess project with a friend or by yourself. So to start, you want to go open to my GitHub, which is linked in the description below, and you want to click on repositories, and then you'll find my online chess project somewhere in here. You just click it, and then you hit code, download zip, and then here you have the zip. So here you're going to extract a zip file if you have WinRAR or some zipping file that zips it automatically, and you just extract a file. So since I already have the file, I don't need to do that myself. You should have something like this where it's an online chess folder with these files exactly once you extract it. Then once you have it extracted, open it up. It'll greet you to this. You want to go to Out, Artifacts, Online Chess, and in here, this is you have to type in. You have to click on the what's it called, the web address here, and just type in CMD, and the file path should be like something similar where it ends with out artifacts online chess underscore jar. Then from here, you want to so if you're playing alone here, let's say you're playing alone. To start, you type in this exact. I'll have this line linked in the description below, but you want to type in this uh, line exactly, and this basically just um, runs the program. So here you'll be asked if you're the client or the server, and if you're playing alone, and you just want to test it out or something, you always start with the server first because the client connects to the server. So you type in server, and here you get one of your chessboards opened up. Um, you have to what's it called? You do this procedure again now if you want to play by yourself. I mean, so again you type in um, this line, and now this time instead of server, you type in client, and now you have to enter your, if you're playing alone, again, this is all if you're playing alone, you have to type in localhost, and here it should say just connecting to localhost, and it should say on both ends like it just hit just connected. So now, what's it called? Here you have two chessboards. You see how one's on the black side, one's on the white side, and here if I move on this, sorry, white goes first, my bad. If I move on this side, you'll notice that um, what's it called? Black and white are receiving ends. So yeah, here's how you play alone. I just want to preface that this chessboard has everything except for two things. Uh, the one main thing it doesn't, the two things that doesn't have is firstly it doesn't have en passant. Uh, the move itself, which I decided not to add because it's a very niche thing, and I wanted to move on to bigger and better things, so I didn't really add it to this project. Like en passant happens like one in like 1,000 games, so I doubt it will happen on my chessboard. Uh, then I also didn't add promotion for anything other than queen. Like you can promote um, if you have what's it called? If you um, if you get your pawn to the other side of the board, but it'll only promote to a queen. I cannot promote to anything else, so here I can show you. Uh, I'll just run away, I guess. Sorry, this is kind of weird to deal with. No, it's black's turn, right? Yeah. If I go here, I'll promote to a queen, and so yeah, but I can't promote to anything else. So yeah, so this is how you would play if you're alone. And now I'm going to show you how you would play if you're not alone. You want to play with a friend. So let's say if you're playing with your friend, you're going to need to both of you are going to need to do a few specific things. So before you play with your friend, I just want to let you know that this isn't protected. You should be playing with someone who you trust, or if you play with someone who you don't trust, you can easily be exposed and DDoS and such. So just be careful who you're playing with. So you want to go onto um, this website, VPN.net, which I'll link in the description, and you want to download Hamachi. And once you set up the installer and everything, it'll come up here. I've already have it downloaded, so I don't need to download it myself. You should have something like this little like screen pop up. So once both of you have this little screen pop up, one of you, only one of you, has to create a network. And to do that, you just hit network on top here, hit create a new network, and it's very simple. You're just going to type in, this can be anything, this literally can be anything, and the password, and also confirm the password, and the yeah, and the ID can be anything. So once you do that, you'll have something like this. I have a network here. I just have my name, um, server 1273, and now that one of you has the server, sorry, not the server, the network. The other one is going to have to, um, what's it called? Connect to the network. And to connect to the network, all you have to do is click on network here and hit join an existing network, and you would type in the network ID and the password of your friends who created the network. Once you have that, you should have both what's it called? Uh, both people on the same network, and you should be connected on your LogMeIn Hamachi. Now, uh, Hamachi is a little weird because you have to, well, what's it called? You have to make sure that uh, it's actually not being blocked by your firewall. So sometimes some people have it. You can check it yourself. Just go to your firewall and check to see if LogMeIn Hamachi is being blocked. Because if it is being blocked, this won't work. And to check if it is being blocked, all you can do is just ping. I don't have anyone on my network, so I can't really ping anyone. But all you would do is if you right click on the name and you hit ping, you should be able to see a response. If you don't see a response, that means it's blocked by one of you guys. And if it's blocked, just make sure it's not blocked by your firewall. So anyway, now that you have, now that you're both connected onto the same network, you're going to want to do a few things. So firstly, you want to grab each other's, one of you who's going to be the server has to, what's it called, share their IPv4 address, which is basically your computer address. So to get that, if you're not sure how to, you go into CMD, and you're going to be typing ipconfig. I'm not going to be typing because I don't want to expose my IPv4 address. So once you type in ipconfig, there should be a clear line where it says IPv4 address, and you just copy that. So now that you have everything done, now you should be able to play together online. And to do that, all you do is once you have both, what's it called? Once you both have online chess, both of it installed on your computer. Again, you type in CMD. So now, what's it called? Both of you will be doing this line again. Online. This I already typed this when I was showing you guys how to play alone. And now it's very important that the server goes first, because the server, the client, connects to the server. If you try to do the client first, it won't work. So when you type in server, you'll type in server if you are the server, and you'll notice that server is white because they're first. And then your friend will be doing this too, so I'll act as the friend. Here you go. And now you'll type in client, and here you'll type in what's it called? You'll type in the IPv4 address of your friend. But I'm playing by myself, so I'll be typing in localhost. But you should be able to connect on both ends once you type in his IPv4 address, and yeah, you'll be connected. Just make sure that both of you are in the LogMeIn Hamachi's web network, and you're both connected to it, and you're able to ping each other, and your firewall is not blocking it, and such like that. And other than that, yeah, you'll what's it called? Both of you will be able to play with each other, and yeah. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. If you see any bugs in the game itself, please drop a comment. I'll be sure to fix it. If you have any suggestions other than adding the two main things I'm missing, let me know, and maybe I'll put it and take it into consideration. But other than that, yeah, thanks for watching.